In this video, we'll show you how to scan for unused widgets and deactivate them in Elementor with JupyterX, helping optimize your website's performance and keep your Elementor editor clutter-free. To identify unused widgets, we can quickly see which ones are actually in use. To start, let's open Elementor's Element Manager, filter to JupyterX Core, and run a usage scan. Let's open the Admin menu and go to Dashboard. Now hover over Elementor to reveal its submenu options. Select Element Manager from the Elementor submenu. This filter narrows the list so you only see widgets from a specific plugin. Choose JupyterX Core so the Element Manager shows only that plugin's widgets. Run a usage scan to populate the usage column with how often each widget appears. Now you can see usage counts for every JupyterX widget on your site, making it easy to spot which modules are actually being used and identify the ones that can be safely deactivated. Next, open JupyterX Settings and go to Modules to toggle the widgets you want to deactivate. Now open Settings to access JupyterX configuration. Select Modules to manage feature toggles and widgets. Here, we can manage the core functions, features, and widgets of JupyterX. In this case, I'll focus only on deactivating unused widgets. We can deactivate any JupyterX module by simply unchecking its module in the Modules list here. Now click Save Settings to apply all widget changes and update your site configuration. You have now successfully deactivated unused modules in JupyterX. This will help improve performance and page speed while keeping your site streamlined and efficient. Go ahead and try it yourself to fine-tune your workflow.